Today you'll hear about an asset tracking solution designed for transportation and logistics companies that move hazardous materials, a new dashcam video review resource, Isaac Instruments' latest integration, and more. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Enterprise technology solutions provider Velocity Inc. is now offering its deployment and support services for RAM mounts customers using RAM in-cab mounting solutions to better protect their investment in connected technology. RAM mounts customers will also receive Velocity's VeloCare customizable frontline support, proactive technology health monitoring and field repairs, and its inventory management program. RAM Mounts offers mounting solutions for phones, tablets, cameras, and other electronic components. Designed to protect against shock, vibration, dirt, and debris, the modular, configurable components ensure connectivity and power and provide for optimal functionality. Included are IntelliSkin sleeves for phones and tablets that allow users to securely charge and sync devices using the company's GDS vehicle docks. Michael Inglima of RAM Mounts said, "As the connected highway grows and more technology is in use on commercial vehicles, we're finding that our customers are increasingly focused on reliability. With Velocity as our deployment and support partner, we can offer complete solutions for our systems and the hardware and software our customers need to run their businesses more efficiently and productively." Logistics software company Fleet Enable is offering a no-charge electronic data interchange, or EDI, for freight transporters for a 2-year period. The technology permits freight haulers to receive digital orders and return responses from shippers without manual intervention. EDI has become industry standard for carriers hauling freight over the road, but it comes at a price. For large carriers receiving thousands of electronic order requests and responses monthly, the cost can be significant and can inhibit growth as increased business results in increased EDI charges. EDI provides an automated connection to Fleet Enable's transportation management system. The Fleet Enable technology platform automates all aspects of a freight hauler's business, from ordering to route planning and billing. Fleet Enable has signed an agreement with Illinois-based Kleinschmidt Inc. to help provide EDI technology to business partners. Here's how it works. Shippers send electronic shipment requests to their carrier partners. Fleet Enable's transportation management system automatically accepts the EDI requests. The system routes requests throughout the carrier's enterprise from warehouse to dispatch and billing. The carrier can then automatically deliver confirmations, status updates, tracking information, and exceptions back to the shipper via EDI. BlackBerry Limited is launching a new series of BlackBerry radar devices for hazardous materials carriers. The new series, H2MIS, is backed by an intrinsically safe certification designation, enabling BlackBerry Radar, an asset tracking solution, to target transportation and logistics companies that move hazardous materials, including fuel haulers, tank carriers, ocean shipping lines, and railroads. The new release comes at a time of increased U.S. regulatory scrutiny of the rail industry following several high-profile safety incidents, with the Association of American Railroads mandating that any telematics device installations on Class I railroads after January 1, 2024 be minimally safe in line with American National Standard Institute recommendations. BlackBerry radar devices are extremely reliable and robust, even in extreme conditions such as dirt, snow, or high temperatures. The new series takes that one step farther, providing peace of mind to hazardous materials carriers in the oil and gas, chemicals, and agricultural sectors, said Christopher Platt of BlackBerry Radar. BlackBerry Radar is an easy-to-install asset monitoring solution, taking only minutes to set up, and provides near real-time information through an intuitive dashboard. All data is transmitted and stored securely on a cloud platform. Incorporating all of the existing capabilities of the company's leading radar H2 device, the new intrinsically safe devices are augmented with multiple new features and capabilities, including sensor readings that provide valuable information on cargo status, railcar brake status, and impact events. Fleet management solutions provider Isaac Instruments has completed a deep link integration with EBE Technologies that aims to save truck drivers time by creating a seamless transition that automatically launches the EBE Ships Mobile Content app directly within the Isaac solution. This reduces data entry for the driver and increases data quality for the back office. It helps fleets seeking to reduce paper documents with a more efficient digital system that can speed billing and settlements by several days. By creating this integration, fleets that use EBE can further streamline the driver experience by having the driver remain within the Isaac workflow while satisfying EBE's document capture requirements. The EBE Ships mobile app allows drivers to submit trip, delivery, safety documents, and driver documents from the point of service, view LMS lessons, and perform OCR using their mobile device. Ships Mobile speeds the billing process and automatically sends missing document alerts to drivers. Fleets that use dash cameras have a new resource to get the most from their investment. The J.J. Keller Video Review Service offers motor carriers a team of trusted experts to review their dashcam video and extra hands to accomplish safety goals, from establishing the correct hardware settings to determining which risky events to prioritize for monitoring. Kevin Kroll of J.J. Keller & Associates, Inc. said, "Our service provides support and expertise to keep carriers from getting stuck in the weeds of video event management. They can focus on their drivers and business while our team works on reviewing footage and supporting fleet safety." This service is available to Encompass Video Event Management System subscribers and Video Protect's Video Event Management System clients on the MyGeotab platform. The J.J. Keller Video Review Service offers clients significant risk mitigation and time savings through review, prioritization and communication of riskiest driving behaviors, access to J.J. Keller corrective action training, event scoring using J.J. Keller's best practice processes, record keeping and reporting functions, driver training recommendations, and establishment and ongoing monitoring of camera and event trigger settings. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.